Hello everybody, what's going on? So in just 1 month, Sanders stock is up more than 29%. This isn't a typo, 29% in 1 month. And today I'm breaking down exactly why this surge happened and more importantly, why this is only the beginning. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you why I'm extremely bullish on this name right now. Let's start with the catalyst that lit the fuse. Yesterday, Sandisk announced a series of game-changing long-term AI memory supply partnership. They deepened their partnership joint venture with Kioxia all the way out to 2034. That's 8 more years of guaranteed advanced NAND production capacity, including next generation nodes like BICS8. At the same time, they locked in a multi-year DRAM supply deal and picked up roughly a 3.9% stake in nanotechnology. So why all this matter? Because the AI boom is creating an insatiable appetite for high performance data centers SSDs. Hyperscalers, think the big cloud giants, are scaling training and inference workload at a pace we have never seen. Storage demand is exploding and NAND supply is finally tightening up. SanDisk just told the market we are fully allocated throughout 2026. Pricing is strengthening and we have the long-term contracts to prove it. Wall Street loved the message, hence 29% surge in just 1 month. Now let's zoom out and talk about the bigger picture. To own SanDisk today, we have to believe that AI data centers are going to keep driving tight NAND supply and strong enterprise SSD demand, and the numbers back it up. Recently, industry data shows enterprises SSDs are seeing healthy pricing and mix shift into higher value products are already sold out into next year and NAND price is moving higher. Exactly what bulls have been waiting for. But here's where it gets really exciting for the long-term story. These new partnerships aren't just short-term wins. The extended Kioxia GV gives SanDisk rock solid visibility on advanced manufacturing capacity for years to come. That nanostate diversify their DRAM supply and creates vertical integration that competitors will envy. When hyperscalers want multi-year volume commitment with price certainty, SanDisk is now in the strongest position to deliver. That kind of stability in an AI-driven world is pure gold for margins and earnings. Now let's talk about the numbers. This is where the upside becomes obvious. Wall Street current bull case scenario sees Zendesk hitting roughly 13.3 billion in revenue and 3.1 billion in earnings by 2028. That's 19.6% compound annual revenue growth and a massive swing from today's negative earning territory. Even the more pessimistic analysts, the one who were skeptical before these deals, now see the path to 12.2 billion revenue and 1.7 billion in earnings by 2029. The gap between those forecasts narrowing fast in the right direction. Look, every stock has risks. Concentrated hyperscalers contract could eventually pressure pricing power. And if AI exabyte growth slowed dramatically, we could see a supply glut. But here's the reality check right now. The AI tailwind and overwhelming strong demand is outstripping supply. Products are fully allocated, and SanDisk just locked in the manufacturing partnership needed to ride the wave for the next decade. The setup is textbook bullish. So here's my take. SanDisk is not just participating in the AI memory boom. Sorry, they are positioning themselves to lead it with Titan NAND supply, stronger pricing, sold out capacity throughout 2026, and these multi-year strategic alliances. The company has the operational muscle and customer relationship to deliver consistent growth. The market is finally waking up to the fact that Sandisk is a critical enabler of the entire AI infrastructure build out. If you're looking for a high conviction name in the semiconductor memory space with clear AI leverage and improving fundamentals, Sandisk deserve a serious look. I am personally bullish and I see meaningful upsides from here because these partnerships will very soon start showing up improvement in future quarters and guidance. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one.